Hi everyone and welcome back again. So last video I have talked about array, how to initialize array and how to print a index of array and how to see the array size and how to print the sum of array. Or the same kind of this program I have solved yesterday. I hope you understand there. So in this video today I'm going to talk about how we can get user input for array, and then we'll try to calculate the sum and average of arrays. So for user input, at first I need to create a scanner class for user input. So I will just try to edit this. Okay, scanner put new scanner. And then trim dot in. This is a scanner I already, it was previously. So now last time I take for integer, but today though I want to print for average and sum, so I can just take it as a double, and now here also double. So and initially I just can give this is as a sum. I can declare this variable is a double sum, and then now I can tell here about the space where can we get the user input. You can see the enter the 5 number. I just write here in the 5 number. So and now I need to take a uh, I need to talk about this variables. I need to get here user input. So input will be number 0 is equal to input dot. Though we say that the double, so it will be next double. Next double. Okay, that's already. I already talked in other video many time. So I can just copy it for all, so that just it will be easy for us. Yes, yes. Control V. So until now it's a 14. So I can use also this sum, number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. It's old. So at first if I want to run it, okay, I want to run this Java. I want to run from here. So run file. Enter the 5 numbers. I want to write the 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then sum is not. So I need to just put here some space, and then it will be easily. So if I run again, run 5. So 1, 2, okay. And I have to put a space because if I put this together, it will take as a one number. So I just put the space, then 2, second number 1, the second index 2, third index 3, fourth index 4, 5 index, fifth. Fifth is 5. Now I will say sum is 15 for all of this. So what happened here? Whenever I give this user input, that user input is taking here is user input. This is for sum. Now if I say the for average, we know what is average, so I can declare another variables here, like average double. A, B, or a G in. I'm just showing you average. So it's just average is average. Average is equal to A, B, R, A, G, E. Average is equal to mm, sum, then divided. So we have five values, the five here. And then average. Average, for example, like this. One, two. Average is equal to 3. So this is for average. But now I have a question. Though we already know about the looping system, or like here everything is almost same. Next double, just changing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also some number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how about if I can write it in short way? Yeah. So we are going to use here for loop. And so for for loop, if I want to use a for loop for this, just like at first I want to put it inside the comment, then I will after that I'll delete. So here's a comment. So I want to if I want to write the for loop for this for tab here I will start for number 0. So I is 0. I will finish until 4. Until 4 means before 5. So I can put here 5 here. And I is increasing 1 by 1. And now I can write here now I is equal to mm, input dot the next double. Next double. Input dot next double. This is only for getting all of this input here. Okay. Here also uh you see sum is equal to number 0, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Why I will use this? Of course, also I can use here for loop. For here number start from 0. So I will be start 0 and I will be finished at 4 means until 5, before 5, and I will increase 1 by 1 by 1. So I can just write inside here uh, sum is equal to sum plus number I, because the last time whenever just if I also turn off it by using comment, it's almost the same thing, I think. If you see, right, previously our sum 0 plus 0 1, it was the previous sum. Now whenever loop went to the 2, so during the 3 index it increase is at, so that means sum is equal to number I. That means every time uh, the new index will come and it will be summation, it will be plus with the previous sum. Then after all we will get this. So now if I want to run it, let's say I want to keep, okay, before that I want to just put here a print so that I can give the input in same line. Now if I run, okay, enter 5 number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if I enter, Sum is 15, average is 3. So now overall, previously we need to write many lines and it's taking our time and also it's taking memory, more memory storage. So I can just use it for loops. How it's working here? It will be start from 0, number 0 is equal input dot next double, and it will be increase number 1, number 2, and number 3, number 4, and then after 4 it will be a stop because the condition is until 5 next double. Same here, the sum is equal to sum will start from 0, it will finish until 5. So that means I can use for loop instead of this. Now could become so small. Now it's so small here, only for looping. So what today we learn and how to get user input for array and how to use for loop inside array to for summation and for getting user input, because normally in array we have to take many user input, so we can just use for loop, and this will make easy for us everything. So that's all until now. Thank you.